If you want to download a new app on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then in that case we can use the Play Store, which is, for example, available by default over here in the home screen. You can also find it, of course, in the app drawer as well. So look for the Play Store and let's open it. Over here you can immediately find some apps. You can also make sure that you have apps selected at the bottom, and you can scroll through these suggestions in order to try to find an app that you can, of course, install. And if you like something, then you can select the app and you should be able to find the install button. So if you press the install button, you should be able to get it on your phone. Besides that, of course, we also have categories. So as you can see at the top, we can switch to categories and we can try to find something by these categories that we have listed over here. And if you know the name of the app that you are looking for, if you want to download a specific app that you know how it's called, then of course you can go to search over here at the bottom, tap on the search field at the top, and then write the name of the app. So let's say I'm gonna just write Timo again. There we go, and we can immediately press install over here, or we can tap on the app in order to find more details about it and install from here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!